Okay. You think you've seen it all? You think they couldn't get no radical? And you see that. They couldn't be outright. That guy knocked it out of the park on that. The Nomad. You got the old welder up ripping out of the hood going on. Got the longer springs on the front. I don't know if those speed, but the old tires hanging out. Deep disc craters. The spider coming out of it. Stay right there. Let's have a closer look at this thing. I always like the outrageous. Tunnel around, looks like a big block. It's got 3 pedals. Look at that. Look at the gas pedal. It's a skeleton foot. Skeleton. Yeah. You got to do a Nomad. You got to do it like this. We used to draw pictures of cars like this in high school. Well, in school that we always wanted to look like that from the rear. You know, with the tires sticking out. It's the Reaper. This is beautiful. What do they call these? A Black Widow. We have a stick with 3 of the tree. It does. Beautiful car. Beautiful. All these, even those circle car cars. What do we have coming here? Logo. Yeah, those are the days, huh? That's cool. Yeah. Well, here we are, folks. That's what I'm talking about right here. Look at the golf cart. Go get my golf cart. Tri-5 Nationals. This is in the vendor area. This is a racetrack. We're right in the middle of a quarter-mile, I believe, round racetrack. Nice GM. Same year as my Chevy. Looks like just as nice shape. Okay. 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 Let's get out of here. Don't hit the cars. Don't hit the cars. Don't hit the cars. Let's go Frankie. Let's find Frankie. Somebody will look you up. Keep you. David, a friend of mine, a Portuguese friend of mine, David, his brother works for Danichuk here. I gotta find his booth. I might get some of those hooks for my car. I like those. I do like those. Huh. Some more hooks up there. Definitely gotta get this. This is good. Oh, there's some straps right there. How much?
I want these right here that go over the
$12 bucks.
I got that.
Those are cool. I gotta get some. You get 2 straps. And then all you would need is 1 inside there. Wow. Look at all these goodies. Goodies. I'm gonna go live through here because everybody wants to see all these goodies. Look at all these front ends, the way they have them set up. That's cool. Anything you want. That's nice. Busy. California boys. What do we have over here? Oh, look at the fender liners. Look at those pans for a 57. Steering wheel, mini wheels. Oh, complete spring foot hinges. Who is this? NC Hartford, Kentucky. 56 parts, bezels, grill. Let's find gas shop. Cool. Let's see, I think I got these yesterday. One of Randy's here. Randy. Shout out to Randy. If you're here, give me a holler, dude. Haven't seen you in a long time. Haven't seen your 55 since you moved to Arizona. Chevy Performance, huh? Wow. Wow, there's your own golf carts in there. There's a giveaway car right there. There's a giveaway car right there. I'll take it. They want to give it, I'll take it. It's beautiful. Got the fuel injection, 150. Hey, get away from my car. Don't get too close to my car. That's my car. I'm going home with that. I'm going home with that, baby. I think I said that last time, too. No such luck. There's a straight axle front end. Yeah, good luck. Beautiful car. This just means they don't want the top parts, but top parts are mandatory for us old guys. Those guys are from Placentia too. Oh, well, they probably moved. We got another location. Let's go see if I can find Dan Chuck. Oops.